Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can use motion tracking in capCut PC. So it's super simple. Select your video you want to track the object. So the video with a moving object, and just going to text, select the alt text, and just for the duration until finish the video and change the text. For instance, going to type 123, select preset style, and put on the object, sorry, put on the object like so. And just going to tracking, select motion tracking. For direction you can select put, enable for scale and distance, and select the object you want to track like so, and just click start. So just wait for track the object. So it's super simple. You can try on your video. Okay, it's a gap. So here we go. It's super simple. That's how to motion tracking and capCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and you can click thanks button for a question.